How to use Luma AI. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch any of your preferred web application, then at the top search bar type in Luma AI. Luma AI is a video or image generating tool which will create you high quality and realistic images or video. Click onto the first link of Luma Dream Machine. Now here, if you have an account, you can click on to try now and get logged into your account. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one. Let's go ahead and click on to try now. Then sign in with Google. Select your Google account and let's go ahead and try Luma AI. Type in some text or add an image in order to give a prompt. For instance, you can also type this idea that is given as a reference. Let's go ahead and type something. In my case, I have also given prompt of a hungry cat and create a hungry cat images. And once you're done creating an image, you can also download it. To do that, click on the download option, and this will download your hungry cat images. If you would like to add something to this image, then you can click on to extend. Give another prompt that will exceed this video by 5 seconds. Once you're satisfied, click on download. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will catch you up in our next upload.